wake up early.
Teshimla.
Is it mla or mra?
Mra.
So teshimra.
Teshimra.
Okay. Don't wake up early.
Ka teshimra.
Ka teshimra.
Ka teshimra.
I wake up at 5 a.m. every day.
Inti oshida lebi meji enumo.
I lay my bed.
Ingmeo insa.
I brush my teeth.
Isha indang.
Brushing one's teeth.
Dan shamo.
Go to the toilet.
Ya ni ase. Alo ya tiafi. Alo ya nya.
Okay. Now, so what's the difference? Which one can I use in as a polite?
The most polite one is ya ni ase. She de come e befel akoba yue basa dankan. Che do ba ke ya tiafi. Alo ya nya. It's most impolite. So if you want to be polite, you can ya ni ase. Alo, some people would say the tiafi, ya tiafi. That is where you ease yourself.
Okay.
Ya nya means you are really. But the polished is most polished. You know, they have the polished say and then unpolished say.
Okay. So
more polite. So say ya ni ase. If people are very rustic,
crude,
they may not know it is crude because that's the language they speak. Is very. So that's what ya is most crudely.
Okay. So back to the routine. Firstly, I go to the toilet.
Kenkle iya ni ase. Alo ba nyoke kenkle iya tiafi. It's not too bad. So banya kenkle iya nya. And that is not very polite. It's very crude.
Okay. I undress.
Injio intale.
I bath with soap.
Injuo inhe kesamla.
To wipe.
He chumomo.
I wipe myself with a towel.
Inchumo inhe kepapang.
Next, I dress up.
No se insa inhe.
Okay, shaving one's beard.
Chain shelmo.
I look into the mirror to shave my beard.
Inko ainhwe. Alo ahwehwe mli keshel inchen. Inkwel ainhwe. Alo ahwehwe mli keshel inchen.
I apply lotion to my body.
Inpa ihemu.
I apply perfume.
Nke muma pa ihe.
Then
Keke.
Then I go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast.
Keke inte patashi. Iyaho lebi nieni. Keke inte patashi. Iyaho lebi nieni.
I cook porridge and eat with bread and butter.
Ihuo akasa ni nke blodo ke butru nuo. Ihuo akasa ni nke blodo ke butru nuo.
Sometimes.
Beikume.
Sometimes I eat only banana.
Beikume iyo akwadu keke. I wash the dishes. Insha chensi amli. Insha chensi amli.
After that,
No sir. No sir.
after that, I leave the house at 6 a.m.
No sir. Inshian lebi meji ekpa. No sir. Inshian lebi meji ekpa.
I wait for a trotro which takes me to school.
Email. Trotro. Nikemiya. Nikase mohe. Email. Trotro. Nikemiya. Nikase mohe.
On my way to school, I watch the news on my phone.
Kemiya. Nikase mohe. Inko adafi ni atwa ye info eno. Kemiya nikase mohe. Inko adafi ni atwa ye info eno.
I go straight to class.
Iya nikase mo twemli tromo. Iya nikase mo twemli tromo.
Most of my classes are in the morning.
Lebiti 3G mi nikase mo be. Lebiti 3G mi nikase mo be.
After class, I spend the day in the library.
Ke impa nikase mo iyo be ni ehwe ye woloto he wele. Ke impa nikase mo iyo be ni ehwe ye woloto he we.
In the afternoon, I buy food.
Shwane iya heo ni eni. Shwane iya heo ni eni.
I alternate between fufu and soup, plantain and beans, and jollof.
Nchakio ni eni emli ke fufui ke wonu alo amadanchulu ke yo alo jollof. Nchakio ni eni emli ke fufui ke wonu alo amadanchulu ke yo alo jollof.
Okay, so I have a question. Why didn't we use commerce in the Ga sentence? You see, in English, we are using commerce. After fufu and soup, there's a comma, plantain and beans, and then jollof. But in the case of the Ga, instead of using a comma, you have used the word alo, which I'm assuming is or, right?
Yes. So you see, comma onu shishi.
Please explain in English.
When you leave a comma, it's silent. You break.
Yes.
But in Ga, if I say nchakio ni emli ke fufu ke wonu, amadan ke, you don't hear anything unless I say or, because silence doesn't stand in for or.
Okay, and the comma.
Or
So,
comma. We
okay.
don't use commas.
okay, so the way the comma works in English does not work in Ga.
Ga that way.
Oh, okay.
Because it's a break. So the break or the pause after a comma doesn't make the same sense in Ga.
I leave campus at 4 p.m.
Ishion ni kasemo we beke meji edwe. Ishion ni kasemo we beke meji edwe.
On Saturdays, I drive to work.
Da ho nkudo nchone ke ya nichumo. Da ho nkudo nchone ke ya nichumo.
In the car, I listen to the radio.
Imbuo radio twe ye chone emli. Imbuo radio twe ye chone emli.
Once in the office, I turn on my laptop.
Ken she nichumo here pe keke isu in laptop pe. Ken she nichumo here pe keke isu in laptop pe.
I work all day.
Inchuoning gbimu efen. Inchuoning gbimu efen.
I check my inbox and respond to mails.
Equal wojini Angmangmai ni ha amehito. Ikweo woji ni angmangmai ni ha amehitoi.
I wash my hands.
Iya 4 nde. Iya 4 nde.
I have a snack.
Iyo danjie monoko. Iyo danjie monoko.
Before
Danny.
Before my lunch, I prepare my videos.
Danny maye shwane ni eni. Nsa in video se nto. Danny maye shwane ni eni. Nsa in video se nto.
I take a lunch break and eat with my colleagues.
Inko shwane hejomo be. Koni nke men ni nke chuo ni ayaye ni. Inko shwane hejomo be. Koni nke men ni nke chuo ni ayaye ni.
I resume work.
Inko nse keba ni chumo. Inko nse keba ni chumo.
When I close, I get home at 6 p.m.
Ke impa isho shia gbeke meji ekpa. Ke impa isho shia gbeke meji ekpa.
As soon as
Non pe.
I wash my hands as soon as I arrive home.
Iya 4 nde ke isheshia non pe. Iya 4 nde ke isheshia non pe.
House chores.
Shia ni chumoi.
I do my house chores.
Mi dienche infio shia ni chumoi. Mi dienche infio shia ni chumoi.
To chat.
Sanegba.
I chat with my grandma.
Nke ina gba sani.
My grandma cooks and I lay the table.
Ina huo ni mingmo oplon. Ina huo ni mingmo oplon.
I eat with grandma.
Nke ina yoni.
We watch TV in the living room if we are not tired.
Wokweo TV ye asano ke etoko wo. Wokweo TV ye asano ke etoko wo.
Sometimes I like to read before sleeping.
Beiko me isumo makaneni dani mawo. Beiko me isumo makaneni dani mawo.
I watch YouTube on my phone when I'm on the bed.
Inko YouTube ye info eno ke inkansa no. Inko YouTube ye info eno ke inkansa no.
I fall asleep.
Inwo.
Wake up early in Ghana is
Tashi oya. Teshi mra. Yishi oya. Ya wo mra. Teshi mra. Iya ni ase means
I eat. I shower. I go to the toilet. I shave. I go to the toilet.
email dash ni kemiya ni kase mohe.
Chone. Nane. Trotro. Bike. Trotro.
Namo nke gba sande. Ina. Nche. Inye. Inye me. Inna.